So today we are going to talk about customizing layouts to adapt different screen sizes. So this is a crucial skill because modern apps need to look great and work seamlessly on a variety of devices, from small smartphones to large tablets. So by the end of this lecture, you will understand how to make your layout flexible and adaptive, ensuring a consistent user experience across all devices. So, why customize layout for screen sizes? Think about how different devices vary in size. A fixed width layout might look great on one screen, but but break or become unusable on another. Customizing layouts for different screen sizes ensures a polished appearance, better usability and readability, and accessibility across all devices. So, a responsive device is no longer optional, it is an expectation now. So, why customize layouts? Why customize layouts? Devices vary widely in size and resolution. Fixed width layout break on different screens. Responsive design provides consistent user experience and flexibility for future device trends that we have discussed. So Flutter's responsive tool. Now deep dive into this responsiveness. For this, Flutter provides powerful tools to build layout that adapts to different screen sizes. Instead of hard coding dimensions, we use percentage and constraints and device properties to adjust UI dynamically. For example, we have media query, layout builder, and flexible widgets. For media query, it gives us access to device dimensions like screen width, height, and orientation. For layout builder, helps create responsive layouts by providing the size of the parent widget. And the flexible widgets like flexible, expanded, and fitted box dynamically adjust sizes. So using media query for layouts, for example, media query you just deep dive in this media query. It is a very important UI layout tool, is one of the easiest way to access the screen size and adapt the layout. So it provide a property like media query dot of context dot size dot width, and this is also media query dot of context dot size dot height. This property you can access, and you can you can use this property to set the width and height by any percentage also. So here the container's width adjust to 80% of screen width regardless of the device. So in this way media query works. Next is using layout builder for flexibility. While media query works well, layout builder takes responsiveness to another level by responding to the constraint of parent widget. For example, displaying different widget based on screen sizes. So in layout builder there is a constraint, and based on the constraint's max width we can change the orientation also. So here, if the width is less than 600 pixel, a vertical layout is shown. For larger screen, a horizontal layout is used. This is especially used for handling tablets versus phones. And next is your flexible and expanded widget that we have covered earlier. To divide space proportionally, we use flexible and expanded. These widgets are perfect for layouts that need to resize based on available spaces. And next is your fitted box for scaling content. So the fitted box widget is great for scaling widgets to fit within their parent container. It is automatically resize the content. For example, this is a fitted box. Regardless of the parent container size, the text will resize to fit without overflow. So this is your fitted box. Next is adapting layout for orientation. We have also Flutter app should adjust not only for screen size but also for orientation changes, that is your portrait or landscape. The media query widget can help detect orientation also. For example, in this changing layout by orientation, you can see here media query dot of context dot orientation. If it is equal to orientation dot portrait, then you can use column widget in portrait mode, otherwise you can use row widget in landscape mode. So the layout changes dynamically based on whether the device is held in portrait or landscape orientation. So this is all about adapting layouts for orientation. Best practices for responsive layout is to avoid hard coding dimensions, use percentage or constraints. Test layouts on different screen sizes and orientations. Combine media query and layout builder for dynamic design. Use flexible widgets like expanded spacer and fitted box. So what we have learned today in this session, we learned how to customize layouts for different screen sizes using media query, layout builder and flexible widgets like expanded and fitted box. These tools make Flutter incredibly powerful for building adaptive and responsive UIs. For your practice, try creating a responsive dashboard with cards that resize and reposition based on screen sizes. So that is our homework, guys. So this is all about the layouts. So what we can do now, we can simply run these examples in VS Code for more understanding in the next lecture.